Hi, I'm Dr. Jared Oliphant. Welcome to the course. Just a few tips as you get started. Make sure that you have some way of taking notes as you go through the course on each lesson. Logic, and I say this in the videos in each lesson, logic is the kind of thing that builds. And so you want to make sure that you have some place to record the kinds of things that you know you're going to want to remember later. It's also crucial to go through the practice problems and exercises throughout the lessons. I say this all the time, but part of getting good at logic is going through those practice problems and exercises, really reinforcing some of the principles and ideas and methods that we go through in the lessons. So you want to make sure that you're doing the practice problems before you move on. Make sure that you master the material before you get to that next lesson and that next tier, because later lessons are going to assume pretty much all the information from prior. So make sure that you have something to write down what you might not remember, and also that you're going through the practice problems and exercises to really get in your head these principles and methods for learning logic. And finally, take it slowly if you need to. If you need to watch a video a couple times or a part of a video a couple or a few times, that's perfectly normal. Most people do that sort of thing. What you want to make sure is to master the material before moving on. There's no clock. You can do this at your own pace. So make sure you do whatever you need to do. Write down some things, try more practice problems, slow down the video, and make sure that you have an understanding before you move on. That way, the course will work best for you.